Hi, I'm Kristen at your Sun South of Mobile location. Today we're going to talk periodic maintenance and specifically on the 324G skid steer. Most of your periodic maintenance is going to happen at the back of the machine underneath the hood, but you also can check your hydraulic level down here on the side of the machine. It's just a basic level, high and low. If it's low, it needs to be filled. Coming to the back of the machine, most of your periodic maintenance is going to be done underneath the hood. It's a tad tricky to open, so when you do, just be careful. There you go. So before you ever start the machine, you do want to do a daily check at the back of it just to make sure your machine is going to run properly and make sure all of your levels are full, make sure you're good to go. So starting right here, you got your coolant reservoir. Just make sure you're good on coolant. Don't want your engine to overheat, of course. Back here, you have your hydraulic oil reservoir. Like I said, you can check that on the side of the machine, but your reservoir is at the back of the machine, so just be mindful of that. Your engine oil reservoir is back here as well, and your filter. You can check it with the yellow dipstick down here. Just make sure you're full every day before you start to run the machine. Like I said, you do have your air filter and your engine oil filter back here as well. You do want to change those about every 500 hours, and your break-in oil change will be done the first time at 250. After that, you'll do it every 500. Your hydraulic oil break-in will be at 500 hours. After that, every 1,000. Shutting this, you're going to go to your grease points. You do have a lot of grease points on this machine. Typically, everywhere you see a pin is a grease point, and you want to make sure that you grease those about every 500 hours just to make sure your machine stays up to date. Your machine is good to go, at all times. You also have the nice fabric linings around your hydraulic lines. Keeps them from getting busted. They do bust, keeps them from leaking, which is a great feature. Like I said, most of your periodic maintenance will be done under the hood. You can also find your periodic maintenance schedule in your owner's manual. If you don't have your owner's manual or you've lost it, you do have a great sticker back here that reminds you of your periodic maintenance schedule, and what to replace, when to replace it, when to check it, etc. That's all for the periodic maintenance on the 324G skid steer. My name is Kristen and I'm your Sun South Mobile sales rep. Come see us for all of your CC&E needs.